So most of us know OnePlus as a company that makes Android flagships, right? But last year, OnePlus entered the mid-range and budget segment as well with its Nord series of phones. It all started with the OnePlus Nord, and then later we got the OnePlus Nord N10 5G and the Nord N100. This year as well, we got a couple of new Nord series phones such as the OnePlus Nord CE, the Nord N200 5G, and the OnePlus Nord 2. But it looks like there is still one more phone that OnePlus is going to launch soon under this lineup, and that is the OnePlus Nord N20 5G. As the name says, this is going to be the successor to the OnePlus Nord N10 5G, and the high quality renders of this phone are now here, which show us the design of this phone from every angle. We also got to know some of the specifications of this phone, so in this video let us talk about all of that. Now looking at the design, most of you will definitely think of the very first budget phone that OnePlus launched way back in 2015, the OnePlus X. While it was not a very big success, it was indeed a beautiful phone with premium design and a compact form factor. The Nord N20 5G has a similar design as well because it too gets flat sides and a compact form factor. The only thing that seems to be missing here is that alert slider, but we saw OnePlus removing that from the OnePlus Nord CE, so this is not a surprise. The good thing is that the headphone jack is still present. It is placed on the bottom alongside the Type-C port and the speaker grill. Hopefully OnePlus has kept the stereo speakers as well. Now that camera setup on the back is quite interesting because it looks very different from what we have seen so far on OnePlus phones. There is no camera bump for all these sensors, and the design is quite symmetrical with two camera lenses having the same size, whereas the cutout for the third camera lens having the same size as that for the LED flash. And finally on the front, the OnePlus Nord N20 5G has a flat screen with a hole punch cutout in the corner. And well, that's pretty much it. Now speaking of the specifications, the OnePlus Nord N20 5G is said to have a 6.43-inch AMOLED and an in-display fingerprint scanner. It is expected to have the Snapdragon 695 SoC, which was announced just last month by Qualcomm. It is an upgrade over the Snapdragon 690 which the N10 5G had, and the 695 offers up to 15% better CPU performance and up to 30% better GPU performance. The camera setup is pretty average because two of the three cameras have 2 megapixel sensors. So only the primary camera is something to consider because it has a 48 megapixel sensor. So yeah, that's all about the OnePlus Nord N20 5G. Because the N10 5G launched more than a year ago, we are expecting the N20 5G to launch soon, maybe before the end of this year. What do you think of the design? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.